There is a place far, far away from all this, where all the tired ones, they go to rest their heads. Follow behind me, I will lead you home, and you will be safer there. Go and get some sleep. Yeah. Seasons, they change you, and the reasons are strange too. Don't dwell on fleeting things like the turning of the tide. The rain will always fall, and the wind will never fail to blow out the flames that burn and melt away the ice. Go to sleep and dream of the things you saw at birth. Come to me and believe in all these words. Listening closely, you can hear the voices. They speak to you and say that the story never ends. Reaching out to you, passing right on through you. The burden's heavy if you burn the candle at both ends. Just shut your eyes and realize that you never go in vain. Try to rise to the skies who hold all the rain. Yeah, all the rain. All the rain. Thanks, everybody. That was a song called Lluvia from my first album, Within These Walls. It was like a solo album from 2009, from before I started You Mean the People or Nature's Neighbor. Way a long time ago, 15 years ago. I did a song from that album last year in front of a sakura blossom, so I thought I'd do another one this year. The sakura are just coming out, just blooming around this part of town, so people are out doing hanami, enjoying the flowers and the weather. There was a group of shogakusei, little elementary school kids that came by with their supervisors, and they got a kick out of my guitar, so I played them a song, and we hung out, and supervisors took a picture of me with the kids. Super cute and wholesome, really nice. So yeah, good vibes all around. Hope you guys are doing well. Thanks for stopping by. I'm going to do a little bit more filming of these sakura for future videos, so hope you guys enjoy those. Yeah, it's windy. Anyway, I'll turn off the camera before it blows away. Bye.